Imagine feeling that spark of energy fade away as the years go by, those mornings where getting out of bed feels like a chore, or when your drive just isn't what it used to be. What if I told you that some of the healthiest looking snacks in your kitchen could be quietly working against you, sapping that vital hormone that keeps you feeling strong and alive? That's right, we're talking about testosterone, the key player in your energy, focus, muscle tone, and overall sense of confidence. It's not just for bodybuilders or young guys, it's what helps you stay sharp, burn fat effectively, and maintain that inner fire no matter your age. But here's the eye-opener: your daily food choices, especially certain fruits, can either fuel this hormone or throw it off balance. We've grown up hearing that all fruits are superfoods, full of vitamins and goodness. Yet, the reality is more nuanced. Some trigger spikes in blood sugar or inflammation that drag testosterone down, while others nurture it back up naturally. So today, let's dive into the specifics. I'll walk you through 4 common fruits that might be hindering your hormonal health without you realizing it, and then 4 that can help turn things around. These aren't drastic overhauls, they're simple swaps backed by science that could make a world of difference in how you feel every day. First up on the list of ones to watch out for, the humble banana. It's that go-to grab-and-go option, right? Loaded with potassium for heart health and easy to toss in your bag. But for many folks, especially if you're noticing those mid-afternoon slumps or carrying a few extra pounds, bananas can act like a sneaky saboteur. A single large one packs around 30 grams of sugar, which hits your system fast and sends insulin levels soaring. Insulin is great in moderation, but when it's spiking repeatedly, it paves the way for insulin resistance, a condition where your body struggles to manage blood sugar effectively. And studies, like those from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, link this directly to lower testosterone production. It's like revving an engine too hard, eventually, it starts to sputter. Think about it this way: imagine your hormones as a well-tuned orchestra. That sugar rush from a ripe banana is like a loud cymbal crash disrupting the harmony, leading to fatigue and reduced drive over time. Have you ever grabbed a banana for a quick boost, only to feel even more tired an hour later? That's the insulin roller coaster in action. It's common, especially as we get older and our metabolism shifts. But don't swear off bananas entirely, moderation and smart pairing can help. Opt for a smaller, greener one. It's got more resistant starch that digests slower, keeping things steady. Spread some almond butter on it or add it to a smoothie with protein. That combo blunts the spike and keeps your hormones happier. Research from Harvard's T.H. Chan School of Public Health supports this. Combining carbs with fats and protein stabilizes blood sugar, which in turn supports better testosterone levels. Try it next time and see if you notice steadier energy throughout the day. Let's say you're an active guy hitting the gym a few times a week. Eating a banana solo post-workout might seem ideal, but without that balance, it could counteract the testosterone gains you're working for. Instead, think of it as fuel that needs a sidekick to perform at its best. What about you? Have you tried tweaking your banana habit and felt a difference? Share in the comments, I'd love to hear your experiences. Moving on smoothly, because understanding these pitfalls helps us make better choices overall, let's talk about dried fruits. Things like raisins, dates, figs, or apricots, they seem so innocent, packed in those little bags as natural snacks. The issue here is all about concentration. Drying removes the water, leaving behind a super dense hit of sugar. A small handful of dates, for instance, can rival the sugar in a soda can, clocking in at 40 to 50 grams easily. Because they're chewy and satisfying, it's tempting to munch through more than you planned, flooding your system with fructose that disrupts blood sugar stability. Chronic instability like this fuels inflammation, which research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows can suppress testosterone synthesis in the body. Picture it like condensing a whole storm into a teacup. That intense sweetness overloads your system, promoting fat storage and hormonal dips that leave you feeling off kilter. If you're someone who snacks on trail mix at your desk, those dried fruits might be why your focus wanes or why recovery from stress feels harder. Inflammation acts as a background noise, muffling your body's natural hormone production. Instead of reaching for dried options, go fresh whenever possible. The natural water and fiber in whole fruits slow absorption, making them far gentler on your hormones. A study in Nutrition Reviews highlights how this fiber acts as a buffer, preventing those sharp spikes. For practical swaps, try chopping fresh apples or pears into your yogurt, same satisfaction, less hormonal havoc. Or if you love the chewiness, portion out just a few dried pieces and mix them with nuts to dilute the impact. Ever noticed how easy it is to overeat dried fruits compared to fresh ones? That's the density at play. Let me know in the comments if you've made this switch and what changes you've seen. Shifting gears a bit, since we're on the topic of plant-based snacks that masquerade as healthy, let's address soy products. Okay, soy isn't a fruit in the classic sense, but many people treat edamame, soy bars, or protein shakes like fruity alternatives, natural and wholesome. The catch lies in compounds called isoflavones, or phytoestrogens, which can mimic estrogen in your body. In small amounts, it might not be a big deal, but for those already dealing with lower testosterone, regular high intake can nudge the balance toward more estrogen-like effects. Studies, including one from the Journal of Nutrition, suggest that excessive soy over time might interfere with testosterone receptors, especially in men sensitive to hormonal shifts. It's like adding a subtle echo that drowns out the main signal. If you're vegetarian or love Asian-inspired meals, this doesn't mean ditching soy altogether. Fermented forms like tempeh or miso are better. The fermentation process alters those compounds, making them less disruptive. Think of a real-life example, a guy swapping his daily soy milk for almond milk and noticing improved mood and vitality after a few weeks. Small adjustments like that can accumulate into big wins. Have you incorporated soy into your diet and wondered about its effects? Drop your thoughts below. It's always fascinating to hear different perspectives. Now, rounding out the ones to be mindful of, grapes, particularly in juice form. Grapes are antioxidant-rich and seem like a smart choice, but their high fructose content makes them easy to overdo, especially as clusters you pop one after another. The real trouble spot is grape juice. It's essentially liquid sugar without the fiber that tempers absorption in whole grapes. One glass can trigger an insulin surge that rivals sugary drinks, leading to fat accumulation, particularly around the midsection. And here's why that matters: belly fat ramps up an enzyme called aromatase, which converts testosterone to estrogen. Research from Obesity Reviews connects this cycle directly to declining hormone levels, creating a vicious loop. Imagine your body as a factory. Excess fructose overloads the line, causing backups that shift production away from what you need most. For application, stick to whole grapes in moderation, maybe as part of a salad with cheese or nuts to balance it out. Skip the juice entirely. Water or herbal tea is a hormone-friendlier hydration choice. If you've cut back on fruit juices and felt more even-keeled, tell me about it in the comments. These stories inspire others to try it too. Where are you chatting from? Drop it in the comments section. It's cool to see how folks from all over are tuning in to boost their health. If you're enjoying these insights and want more ways to enhance your vitality and well-being, whether you're a man or woman looking to feel your best, hit that subscribe button now. It keeps you in the loop with fresh tips every week. Let's build that healthy community together. With those potential pitfalls in mind, it's empowering to know there are fruits that actively support your hormonal health. They combat stress, boost circulation, and provide the building blocks your body craves for optimal testosterone. Let's kick off with pomegranate. This ancient symbol of strength and fertility isn't just folklore, science is catching up. Regular intake, like a bit of juice or seeds, has been shown in studies from the International Journal of Impotence Research to elevate testosterone and enhance blood flow. Its potent antioxidants shield cells from damage and dial down cortisol, the stress hormone that often crowds out testosterone. When stress eases, your body has more bandwidth for hormone production. Envision it as a shield in battle. Pomegranate's compounds fend off oxidative stress, letting your natural vitality shine through. For someone dealing with daily pressures, this could mean waking up with more pep. Practically, sip a few ounces of pure, no sugar-added pomegranate juice a couple times weekly. Or sprinkle seeds on your oatmeal. It's a tasty ritual that pays off in energy and focus. A clinical trial with men drinking pomegranate juice daily noted improvements in mood and performance after just a month. That's the kind of natural boost we're after. Have you tried pomegranate and noticed any shifts in how you feel? Let me know down below. Flowing from that idea of reducing stress, citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruit step up as hormone heroes. Their vitamin C abundance helps regulate cortisol while safeguarding nitric oxide, which keeps blood vessels flexible and circulation strong. Better flow means oxygen and nutrients reach where they're needed, supporting everything from workouts to daily stamina. It's like upgrading your body's highway system for smoother traffic. Research in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition links higher vitamin C to balanced hormones and reduced fatigue. For real-life application, squeeze lemon into your water or eat a whole orange as a snack. The fiber keeps sugar steady. If you're active outdoors or in a high-stress job, this could be your secret weapon for sustained energy. Pair it with meals to maximize absorption. What do you think about citrus for health? Have you felt its benefits? Share in the comments. Next, don't overlook avocado. Yes, it's a fruit, and one of the best for hormone synthesis. Packed with monounsaturated fats, magnesium, and B vitamins, it supplies the raw materials your body uses to craft testosterone. Those fats are essential building blocks, while magnesium frees up more active testosterone by reducing binding to proteins like SHBG. Studies from the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry confirm this role in keeping levels optimal. Think of avocado as premium fuel for your engine. It ensures smooth operation without the crashes. Adding a quarter to your salad or toast can elevate mood and muscle recovery. For example, a busy professional mashing avocado into guacamole notices sharper focus midday. It's simple, delicious, and effective. Ever added more avocado to your routine? What changes did you see? Tell us below. And wrapping up the restorers, berries, those tiny powerhouses like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Their flavonoids and antioxidants, such as quercetin and anthocyanins, tackle chronic inflammation head-on, clearing the path for better testosterone output. Inflammation is like rust on machinery. Berries polish it away, allowing your Leydig cells to produce hormones efficiently. A low glycemic load means no insulin drama either. Evidence from phytotherapy research shows berry consumption linked to hormonal balance and vitality. Grab a handful daily in smoothies or as is. It's an easy habit with big rewards. Imagine starting your day with berries and feeling that steady hum of energy. For athletes or anyone aging gracefully, this is gold. Have you noticed this in your own life with berries? Let me know in the comments. Gentlemen and ladies alike, remember that health is about those consistent, mindful choices that align with your body's needs. Swapping out hormone drainers for supporters isn't restrictive, it's liberating, opening doors to more vitality and confidence. Every bite is a vote for how you want to feel: energized, focused, and in control. Over time, these habits compound into transformations you can see and feel, from better workouts to brighter moods. If this resonated with you and you're committed to optimizing your health naturally, subscribe now to The Healthy Body for more science-backed guidance. We're all about empowering men and women to reclaim their well-being. I'm Dr. Alex, here to share practical strategies that cut through the noise and deliver results. Stick around for weekly videos on restoring energy, balancing hormones, and living your strongest life. Stay vibrant, choose wisely every day, and let's keep the conversation going.